Hey traders, quick heads up here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So a very quick update here for you guys just to keep you updated every single day. So here we are. So what do we have here? As you can see, the price is not breaking above the neckline. Now, as you can see, as mentioned yesterday, we did have a break above 50 EMA. We did have a pullback, and that is not an engulfing candle. In case you are confused with that, just zoom this candle and see right here, green candle has opened above the previous candles. It must engulf the previous trend candle fully, the whole body from low till high. So that has not happened. That is why we did not have any sort of entry condition. I'm still waiting for the price to give me a reason to enter my long trade. At this point, I'm still bullish for net gas. I'm just waiting for a good reason to enter, guys. Very important. Be patient. Wait for a good entry condition. Once we have an entry condition, that will be a break of this neckline, or that will be a bullish engulfer here. Once I have that, I will enter my long trade. And also, just to give you a heads up, we have a net gas storage report tomorrow, and that might fuel net gas towards upside. So that is what I'm also looking at for tomorrow. Sentiments are bullish, and technically we are bullish as well. So not selling until the price completely broken below this low. Until then, the price is just ranging in between this channel. As you can see, the price has created this channel, and all we need to see a breakout, and I'm expecting a breakout above, and net gas storage report might fuel the market towards upside. Before that, I will keep on looking for one of the entry conditions. That will be a bullish engulfer here, right here at this area, or a break of this neckline to enter my long trade. Once we have a break of this neckline and close, then we are good to go long, or we have bullish engulfer here, we are good to go long. Soon we get a 20 EMA cross. A faster moving average will be crossing 50 EMA slow moving average. That is also a sign of possible bullish momentum. So looking at all the factors, I'm just waiting for the entry condition. Again, I won't be entering my trade randomly. Let's check gold. So we had an awesome push down out of gold as expected yesterday, and as mentioned in my yesterday's video, the power of entering with a condition. If you are learning my full MMTA course, this is a perfect example of our advanced pullback strategy. As you can see, the price did push up, hit 50% retracement. That would be an aggressive entry, and with that we do have a less aggressive way to enter, which is this bearish engulfing candle. So we have both aggressive and less aggressive way to enter this trade. With that, the price did push down, hit our target. I'm still expecting a price to hit 1618 retracement, which is 1828 at this point. So let me show you what I said in my last video so that you can understand the entries and condition. At this point, I'm just expecting a pullback right here, and then expecting a pull back down, a retest of this zone. It would be better if you wait until this candle is closed. Once you have a close of this candle, I want to see a pullback of 50% retracement at this point, 1855. From where, if you want to enter in an aggressive way, that would be your aggressive entry. If you want to enter in a less aggressive way, wait for the pullback followed by a bearish engulfer, then you can enter your trade. Targets will be 1 ATR. Right here, the number here, it's 11, so it can be $5 to $11 up and $5 to $11 down as a stop loss and take profits. Nice one. So exact move has happened, and with that, with the condition, we are always good to go, and that exactly has happened. So at this point, I'm still expecting a price to push down, hit the next level of major support area, which is at this point 1782 goes up to 1806. This is a major zone I'm paying attention to take my long trades. As you can see, the price did act as a level of resistance. This area has acted as a level of resistance, support, resistance. So that is why this is the major level I'm paying attention to take my long counter trade with one of the entry condition, like my bullish engulfers or my double bottom entry pattern. Whatever bullish pattern I get, I will take my long trade, and 382 candle is also one of my entry reasons. At this point, we can still get a pullback of few green candles followed by a bearish engulfer. If that happens, we are good to go short in that case. Let's check silver. Right here, silver has also pushed down as mentioned in my last video, and with that, the price is pushing down. I'm still expecting a price to hit this next level of major support, which is 21, goes down to 20.73, a zone from where we will enter our long trade. At this point, I'm expecting a few green candles followed by a bearish engulfer. Once we have a bearish engulfing candle, we are good to take another shot until the price hit this next level of support, in case you want to manage your trade once we have a reason to enter. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is pushing up and made a new high. With that, price is still above 50 EMA. I'm still expecting a price to push up and hit this next level of major support. 81.71 goes up to 84.59, from where we will enter sell trade. So same condition as yesterday, not taking sell trades until the price completely broken below 50 EMA with few red candles. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.